So hey guys, the Galaxy A54 will beat the Galaxy S23 in an important segment, which is a big surprise. Yes, I know this is a back-to-back video on the Galaxy A54, but something new comes out about this device every day and it's my responsibility to keep you all up to date on even the smallest details. Now let's back to the topic. The Galaxy A54 is definitely one of the most anticipated models. It is the perfect mid-range phone from Samsung and the Galaxy A50 models typically surpass the competition. This device is likely to be available very soon. Those who are looking forward to the A54 will be happy to know that it will be easier to repair than the Galaxy S23. I know what you are thinking.
Doesn't make sense.
The Galaxy S23 is a flagship phone with more complex components. Even if Samsung's flagship's repairability has improved over time, these limitations remain when compared to a mid-range phone like the Galaxy A54. The support page for the Galaxy A54 has been found by the folks at Galaxy Club on Samsung's France website. The Galaxy A54 will have a repairability score of 8.4 according to the page. That's marginally higher than the Galaxy S23's 8.2 ratings. Not that it will really affect how to use the Galaxy A54. However, of course, higher rating indicate a more repairable device, but we won't know for sure until the product is released. The specifications and design of the phones were leaked a few weeks ago, and now the Galaxy A54's color options have been leaked. The upcoming smartphone will reportedly be available in 4 colors: Awesome Graphite, Awesome Lime, Awesome Violet and Awesome White. Samsung has this time chosen awesome new colors for the A series. Now many of you are unhappy knowing that Samsung is using Exynos 1380 CPU in the A54, but let me tell you, the Exynos 1380 CPU has 4 high-performance CPU cores and 4 power efficiency CPU cores. Currently, this CPU is believed to be on the level with the Snapdragon 778G. Overall, Samsung is ready to introduce the Galaxy A54 very soon. In the following days, Samsung may tease the launch date as well. If this happens, I will make sure to keep you all updated. So what do you think about this Galaxy A54? Let me know in the comment section below. And with that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.